Hey flower folks, welcome to Share Inspirations. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a cut flower gardener's basket for Mother's Day. And I will be sharing where I obtained the items from and so on and so forth. I will leave the links below for the items purchased online, and I will tell you everything else in between. As you can see, the first item that I'm going to begin with is going to be this creative idea of making an apron, a gardener's apron, using your pair of jeans. Now, this is very simple. Using a leg of jeans, you're going to cut them. You're going to go ahead and make 1, 2, 3, 4 pockets, and you're going to attach the belt however you like. You can use the leftovers of this material, or you can use the string like I have, and it makes a beautiful tool belt. As you can see, you can put in some seeds and your tools and your gloves and whatever else. Wanted to get that out of the way since this is something that I sewed. So you can skip this if you like. However, if you do have the items sitting around to be able to make this, I highly recommend. Now, moving forward to our Dollar Tree items. These are the seeds. You can get the seeds from Dollar Tree for 4 packets $1, or sometimes when they do come on sale, you can get them for 10 packets for $1. Here I have a total of 10 seed packets, and all of them were obtained from Dollar Tree. And then we have the pair of gloves, also from the Dollar Tree. I have the jute twine to tie up the plants once they get tall enough. This is a 3-pack. These are the 3 items right here, 1, 2, 3, that got bought from the Dollar Tree. Now, this is the Hori Hori knife right here, and I am a very big advocate of using this since I feel that this is a one-in-all type of tool. I purchased this off of Amazon, and I will leave a link as to where to purchase it. I usually keep a few on hand to give these as gifts for holidays. Same thing with this. This is a bonsai scissors. You've probably seen me use this in almost everything that I do in the garden. And last but not the least, the carrier. I like giving things that can be actually used in the garden. This is something that you can carry your flowers in. I have one like this. I got this at the thrift store for $1. So let's go ahead and put this together. What we're gonna do is start out with our cloth items at the bottom. And then we're gonna go ahead and set in the heavy item, and I'm going to set in the scissors since it has pointy corners in there. Then I'm going to go ahead and put in the seeds like this and just kind of make a fan of them. And then go ahead and put in your twine. What I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to put a cellophane wrap all around it and go ahead and put a bow. I just wanted to go ahead and show you before I did any of this that this is a wonderful cut flower gardener's basket. Very easy to put together and simple enough, and very intricate details and personal touches to give to your special person in your life. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.